Sai Ram, what has your experience being a part of Sarva Dharma mass marriages for the third year now?
I should say that it has been an amazing journey. The first time I came here, it was I didn't know what to expect at all, and it was awesome because I had never even heard of so many couples getting married all at one time, and all religions, people of all religions. It was simply amazing, and when I came to know about the process of how it works, it was even more. Like, oh my god, so when I came to know that the only criteria is, of course, the legal age limit, and then they're only looking at underprivileged couples. Um, so and and it was nice to know that they're also counseled before the marriage process, because I think they really need that. Everyone needs that. And then when I came here, and when I witnessed the love that was being showered not just on the brides and grooms but on all of us, it was very heartwarming, very heartwarming. I mean, right, right from the time they gave us a welcome drink all the way to saying bye when we were leaving to the airport, it was just awesome. And it really humbles me to be part of this, because the way Hridaya Spandana motivates donors to come forward for some event like this, it is just amazing. And when I interacted with the brides, especially when I'm trying to get them ready for the wedding, it was something that I have never done in the past. It was just so amazing, because we got to talk to them about how they chose their husbands, and what they want to be in life, and they are all real fighters and survivors, I should say. They're coming from that kind of a background with almost minimal education. It was really, proud to say I'm a woman actually. But yeah, I mean, many of these girls have chosen their husbands in spite of the challenges that they're facing in life, and that's a very proud moment. So, so if you ask me, I think this event is bringing in equality, not just among people of all religions and caste and all that, but and of course the economic background, but it also brings about the gender inequality is also taken care. I mean, it is so comprehensive when it comes to all these aspects. So, and for me, the best part was, I think, I felt like I'm part of something very special, very divine. Everyone who's been part of this, I think none of us have moved out or gone away from here without our hearts being touched. And many times, not just in one instance, but many times during the event. And this is, no wonder it's my third time coming back to experience that again. So yeah, overall, I think we are all blessed to be part of this, and I think I should really thank Hridaya Spandana and Nandurkar sir's family and all the volunteers for doing such a great job. Such a great job. Thank
Thank you, Sai Ram.